I just got a weather alert on my phone. It's supposed to be a blizzard warning tonight. We'll see what happens. It's going to be a lot of snow. We're going to go ahead and add the lamb meat at this point. Add some carrots and loads of onions. Spice things up with some jalapenos. We're gonna add a couple bay leaves. I've got some nutmeg and fennel seed we're gonna put in there as well. A little white vinegar. All right. When I was a kid, me and my family would go camping here in Alaska, and we would go berry picking and pick wild blueberries, and Mom would make blueberry pancakes every morning. This brings back a lot of fun memories.